Adding a link to your Canva design seems like it should be the easiest part of your project, but most people actually mess this up and end up with a file that doesn't actually work. You probably spent an hour making a beautiful digital business card or a PDF guide, only to find out that none of your buttons or social media icons do anything when you click them. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that so your links work every single time, and if you stick around until the end, I will show you the one specific mistake people make when saving their file that breaks every single link they just created. The reason your links often fail is that Canva handles web data differently than a standard image editor. If you just grab a link and paste it onto your canvas, it just sits there as plain text. It doesn't actually become a piece of code that a browser can read. Think of it like writing a phone number on a piece of paper. The number is there, but you can't just tap the paper to make a call. You have to tell Canva specifically that this object is a gateway to another website. Let's get this working for you right now. First, open your design and find the image you want people to click on. This could be a logo, a button you designed, or even a photo of a product. You need to right-click directly on that image and look for the option that says link. When you click that, a small box appears where you can type or paste your URL. Make sure you include the full address, including the part that starts with HTTPS, so the browser knows exactly where to go. Once you have pasted the link, click Done to lock it in. Now, if you want to link a specific word or a heading, the process is almost the same, but you have to be careful with your selection. Select the text box and highlight the specific words you want to turn into a link. Again, use that link tool and insert your URL. You will notice Canva usually puts an underline under the text to show it is active. Here is that pro tip I promised you. If you download your design as a JPEG or a PNG, your links will be completely dead. Those formats are just flat pictures and they cannot hold link data. To make your links clickable, you must go to the Share button, hit Download, and change the file type to PDF. Only the PDF format preserves the code that makes your images and text interactive. If you want to take your digital designs even further, you should look into how to create a full link in bio website using Canva's free hosting tools next.